Para hindi tayo mag-aksaya ng gas ba. Ayan. There you go. Wala na kami masyadong gum kasi inisprehan namin. Ayan, kumukulo na siya. Ayun, namatay na. So, it's done. Ayan, bumili si Bubit ng kalamansi. Ano yan? Kalamansi at saka sili. Ayan. Magkano yung dalawa? Tag 5 pesos isa, guys. 5 pesos ang isa. Ayan. Kamatis. Tapos yung sili. Tag 5 ang isa ng sili, guys. Ganito, 5 pesos ito. Sili.
Di ba ang taba kamatis?
Tama na yan. Tapos yung kalamansi, ilang piraso?
4 yun.
Ha?
4 to
4
5.
na kalamansi, 5 pesos ang 4 na kalamansi. Ayan. So, gagawa muna tayo dito ng salabat. Meron na, nilagyan ko na ng loya. Tapos lagyan ko ng konting... Asan na yung honey? May honey tayo, di ba? Asan na yun? Tapos meron akong honey. Yung organic honey, yun ilalagay ko sa labat ko. So I'm using organic honey for my tea. Oh gosh, that's a lot. That's good enough. So here's my ginger tea. There you go, see the ginger. That's my ginger tea. So let me repeat. The tomatoes here is for 5 pesos each. I'm gonna show you how big they are.
Ito. Ate, ikaw lang. Kuwasang asin, ha?
Okay. So here's the tomatoes. They're 5 pesos each. And then the pepper is like 5 pesos each. I think they're like 5 is like 25. They're like 2.5. They're like 2.5 cents, I think, something like that. And then the lemon or calamandin or calamansi is 4 for 5 pesos. That's how much it costs there. So there you go. So I have my honey. It's all done. I mean, not my honey, my ginger tea. I use honey for my ginger tea right there.